This video is to guide you on how to start investing in cryptocurrency as a beginner. I know it's not easy out there. There's a lot of info about crypto that if say you don't know how to shifter this info to get the best, you won't be able to make it in this space. You're gonna spend so much time trying to get the best info. But this video is going to guide you to eliminate the worst and embrace the best. The best that will take you towards achieving your goals in this crypto space. Now, I'm not going to elaborate deeply into every point that I'm going to mention here today. This video will be a guide to direct you towards the best content. If you're new here, this is the BETONG Crypto, a place where we learn crypto step by step with clarity, honesty, and certainty. Let's get into this and discuss the first point. For you to understand how to invest in cryptocurrency as a beginner, you need to go back to the basics to understand what crypto is all about. Why are retailers, institutions, and companies or businesses buying cryptocurrency? Not to forget countries. Countries are buying cryptocurrency. When you understand the basics, why this happens or why this is happening, you are going to understand the value that cryptocurrency is providing to these bodies that are actively buying or investing in cryptocurrency. The next you need to do is understand money. Why you should understand money is simple. Money was the reason why Bitcoin or crypto was created. The crypto community created cryptocurrency because they want freedom. They want freedom from fiat currency. So if you understand the value of fiat currency, or if say there's any value in it, or why fiat exists and why people want to get out from fiat, you are going to understand why most people are driving towards cryptocurrency. The next you need to understand is inflation. Now, these are all basics. You need to understand inflation. When you understand inflation, then you understand why big players or say institutions or big companies or billionaires or those with money focus more on buying assets that appreciate in value rather than assets that depreciate in value. And this is because of inflation. So just go and understand what inflation is all about. It's going to help you in the future to invest in cryptocurrency sustainably. Now, after you must have understood all of this, you are going to take a deep dive now to understand Bitcoin and Ethereum because these are the backbone of cryptocurrency. Look at Bitcoin and Ethereum as Apple and Play Store. I mean, Google Play Store and Apple Play Store, right? These are the leaders in the space when it comes to where you go to download your apps, right? Look at Bitcoin and Ethereum as that. But go deeper, you're gonna understand what I mean to say, right? This is gonna help you on what to decide whether you wanna buy this altcoin, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, or that. You're gonna understand all of this terminology when you must have understood what Bitcoin and Ethereum are all about and what problem they are solving in this world. Let's continue. This is my secret book. This is like everything I got is in here. So I'm gonna be taking out this book, and sharing with you guys some of my secret. Like, this is my secret that I'm sharing with you. Now let's continue. To be able to invest in cryptocurrency sustainably, you need to understand the blockchain and how it works. If you haven't yet watched my videos about cryptocurrency, how it works, the blockchain, everything, then go and watch it. You're going to understand more about the blockchain. The blockchain is simply the rails that crypto is running on. The blockchain gives crypto the security to be able to protect itself, all right? So if you understand the blockchain, then you're going to understand why certain cryptocurrency have security or have more security than others. The next you need to do is understand crypto wallets. Crypto wallets are like bank account or your account in cryptocurrency. If you understand how it works, the value, then you are going to understand why you need to have your money in this exchange, that exchange, this wallet, or this or that. It's very important. When you understand all of these, guys, you don't need to go deeper to have to become an expert in this. No, just understand the basics of all of this. What I'm saying to you, it's gonna help you a lot. Going forward, choosing project to invest in. The next you need to do is understand crypto exchange. crypto exchange plays one of the major role. They are like marketplace for cryptocurrency where people go buy and sell or go trade cryptocurrency. They provide infrastructure for people to transact with each other or trade cryptocurrency. So if you understand what crypto exchange are all about, the role they play in the crypto space, you are going to understand which crypto exchange is the best for you to trade on and the type of crypto exchange that you need to avoid. The next you need to do is understand types of cryptocurrency. You need to understand the different types of cryptocurrency. We have L1s, we have L2s, we have exchange coins, we have real world asset coins, we have meme coins. There are so many types of cryptos out there, so many of them. Just need to understand what these cryptocurrency are all about and you choose from the best narrative or the best categories in this space. It's going to help you a lot avoid losing money in this space. When you focus more on narratives that have value after you must have understood the types of crypto out there, it's going to give you the urge to want to do the right thing. I mean, the right thing meaning you are going to be buying the right project. After you must have understood all of this, then you can go deeper to understanding how to buy cryptocurrency, how to choose the best coin out there. Like all of this will going to come after you must have understood these basics, understanding what coin to buy, how to buy it, where to buy it. All of these small details now will just come into play. You're gonna be just doing that because you understood blockchain, you understood money, you understood inflation, you understood okay, this coin has a bad tokenomics, this coin is this type of coin and that and so on and so forth. It's gonna help you a lot to move forward when you want to invest. Most people just come into the space and buy, then end up blaming cryptocurrency without any prior knowledge of what crypto is all about, the blockchain, the basics exchanges. They have no clue as to how this function, wallet, everything. You need to understand all of this, not like detail to become an expert, of course, but the basics will help you onward, as I mentioned. So, with all of these that I've mentioned today, you are going to know when to begin, where to begin, and how to go about it. Don't rush to want to buy this or buy that. Take your time to understand all of this. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to help to protect your money. I see many people come here, including me, when I started cryptocurrency, just jump in, bam, 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 bam. And you're going to step back a little bit when you started losing money. You're like, oh, whoa, what's going on here? And this is the reality that most people find themselves in after they must have lost a lot of money. And if you want to go that route, good and fine. But if you want to take the best route, to first of all understand these basics, then make sure you join my community. Go below this video and follow the instructions. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.